today we're going to show you the 360 table, show you how nice and convenient it is to use while you're prepping your glass or maybe even running your urethane on your windshield. It's going to save you a lot of walking around and a lot of time. So we'd like to show you how to prep this window and make it just a little simpler for you. So all of us auto glass guys know what we got to do here, but we're going to be able to scrub this, and as you notice, it's got good stability. This windshield's not rocking at all. And I'm on the corner of this and it's not hardly moving. And then we can just sit here and spin this thing and keep your leverage and not have to worry about anything falling off of this thing. This table folds up pretty nice. It'll fold up into your van or your truck, be out of your way. Once you guys get this done, and you get this scrubbed really good, get all these release agents cleaned off of this glass, and we'll get this thing prepped up and ready to go. We'll get all that taken care of here in a little bit. But if you can see, guys, we're not walking around at all. We can reach that whole thing, or you can just spin it around and get what you got to get.